want to see the coolest thing I've ever seen in an airplane seat?
This is the heavy, heavy monster sound. The nuttiest sound around. So if you coming off the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well, listen, Buster, you better start to move your feet.
When I think of the greatest days in my entire life, I think of when my children were born, or perhaps when my son graduated high school, or today, when I was upgraded from business to first on Emirates. I don't know what I did to deserve this, I really don't. Oh my god. Snacks? Writing kit? We're in the air, just left Dubai. I got my own doors. It's like my own little house over here. Total privacy. Here is enormous. It's like a movie theater. It's touchscreen, but you can also control it with this thing. It's like a mini iPad remote. Now, if I want a drink and I don't want to have to call them, and the fact that that's motorized is just ridiculous. It's completely unnecessary. Purser told me that I just order whatever I want whenever I want it. There's no meal time. You just tell them to cook you something and they cook it. Like being at a real restaurant. This is caviar. If you don't know, caviar is fish eggs. Salty. In addition to the amenities kit, this lovely thing, which has all kinds of great surprises in it, like shaving cream and deodorant and all kinds of shit like that. They gave me this big bag, see? And in here,